It all started when e-Phaim Energy installed a 12 kilowatt system in a duplex located in Maitama. The system was paired with a 30 kilowatt hour battery, powering lights and basic supplies. However, the need of the home grew, and the system was upgraded to a 24 kilowatt system paired with a 60 kilowatt hour lithium battery storage, bringing more comfort. Moreover, the energy demand kept rising, and the system was again upgraded to a 30 kilowatt system paired with a 61 kilowatt hour battery storage, powering all lights, 7 ACs, and 3 freezers. Finally, with the need to have uninterrupted power supply throughout the entire building, the system was upgraded to a 50 kilowatt system paired with a 185 kilowatt hour lithium battery storage for maximum comfort. A relaxation spot was also constructed on the rooftop to accommodate more solar modules. Now, the house runs fully without interruptions. With e-Phaim Energy, you experience clean and constant energy solution.